Hi all, I'm Konstantin. This is Lightstream channel. This video came from your wishes and feedback. In it, I'll sum up the actions. What needs to be done from receiving the equipment until its operation in automatic mode. Before that, I'll unpack the converter and show the updated player. So like, comment, and let's start. So the player comes with a patch cord of 1.4 mHz, a connector with spring contacts through, powered from 12 to 36V, support for RS485 and RS232, as well as discrete IOs, is still under development. Next is the Ethernet port for networking. At the bottom are two status indicators. On the adjacent side, there is a nest under the Wi-Fi antenna. Optionally, there can be a 4G socket. Her support will be implemented programmatically soon. Also, no support for SIM card USB ports and HDMI port yet. Below is a large radiator for cooling. On the back, there's a mount for one rail. On board is a 4-core CPU, 1.5 GHz. eMMC memory used instead of flash drive for storage, more reliable due to built-in controller. Declared memory capacity is 32 GB, of which about 26 GB available to user. The remaining is handled by the OS. The converter also comes with a patch cord, 1.4 meters and a set of connectors with screw clamps. The switch is located on the converter itself. Port with PoE support, also a power supply connector from 8 to 48 volts, 6 ports for connecting devices via DMX or SPI protocol, indicators, 2 buttons for calling service functions, and on the reverse side, mounting fasteners on DIN rail. After unpacking the equipment, we must supply power, connect to the computer, activate the license, configure IP address, set the time, create and upload animations, and create a script specifying playback schedule for animations.
So we switch on the player and then connect it to.
He has a network cable, the corresponding part of the cable.
Establish connection with the converter. Activate the power supply of the converter. The converter is connected to the internet and computer through a switch. The switch enables the converter to establish a connection with the internet and communicate with the computer.
To make devices work together, they must be in the same subnet. And for this, change their IP addresses. I explained how to do it in one of the earlier videos. Now a link will show, you can follow it, and timecodes are added in the video for navigation. After player and converter combined into one network, converter setup complete, move on to player interface. To do this in the browser, enter IP, username, password. Default is admin. Right after login for enhanced security, I suggest changing the password. It can be done here. After that, go to the licenses section. If this window immediately contains license information, then the player has come activated, so you don't need to do anything. If there is an absence of a license, it is crucial that we proceed by uploading the required documentation without delay. Choose a license, click Open, and click Upload. Updating license information takes some time. Player needs to restart. If license info hasn't changed within a minute, page needs to be reloaded. Actually manage all player settings. You cannot just from a computer.
Additionally, it is possible to access the content not only from a tablet or smartphone, but also from other mobile devices such as laptops or smartwatches.
The Lightstream program also needs activation. Ensure you have the latest program version installed and internet access on your computer to do this. Access help, activate, input license key. Key sent to email as PDF attachment after being received as PDF document via email message.
Make a duplicate, then replicate. The program has been successfully activated and is now fully operational.
Set time on player. This can be done manually, and with internet access, configure and sync time with server for accurate timing. See how it's done in the video at the link. Additionally, prepare and upload animations. To player, export a list of devices to which ArtNET signal transmitted if broadcasting done in unicast mode, create scenario, all available in video at link. Setup done. Just connect equipment, panels, and rulers to converter and start animation. With you I say goodbye, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching, bye.